Hello everyone, you're welcome to this video. So for those that want to migrate abroad to settle, or you want to move abroad, for whatever reason you may have, right? Study is one of the easiest routes to make it abroad. Regardless of which country you want to go to, study is the easiest. So in this video, I want to show you schools you can apply to and get a scholarship. You school study for free. So this video is basically about how to study abroad for free. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the schools to apply and just all the details involved, the website, what is needed, if you need IELTS or not, just everything you need to apply to move on the study route and to do it without breaking the bank. So stick with me in this video where I'll be showing you everything. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that's going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So no tuition, no kidding, $0. The amount every enrolled student pays in tuition. No tuition, no kidding, it is $0. Now, this is not a joke, right? If I was saying this, you could maybe think I'm joking, but this is from the school's website. $0 is the amount every enrolled student pays in tuition. Now, this is a free school. This is not about scholarships or whatnot. There is no school fees in this school in America. It is free of charge for every student that is admitted to the school. Now, not only are you going to be schooling without tuition fees, there are also opportunities for you to make money while studying for your upkeep, right? To pay other bills. Now there's no tuition, right? But as a student, there are other things you will need to pay for, right? So they have jobs on campus for students. 1,500 is the number of campus jobs available for students. There are 1,500 jobs on the school ground for students to take up. So you can earn a paycheck to cover expenses while you work towards your degree, right? This is really amazing. 10 is the minimum number of hours each student works each week at a paid on-campus job. So a minimum of 10 hours is what students work, every week to get paid. Our students graduate with a labor transcript that will impress future employers. So this is really amazing. So you're working while you're studying, and it also counts for the jobs you're going to be getting when you finish your schooling. So this is really good. Really, really good. Okay, so let's get to see more details about the school. So no tuition. Student debt disproportionately impacts economically disadvantaged students and families. That's why Berea College has been paying for the students' tuition for more than a century. So the school pays for the tuition fees for every student admitted to this school. All right. So this is really a good one. So let's just get to see more information. I want to show you all the information that matters with regards, schooling in Berea College in America. So 78% of students receiving funding from Berea to help to cover expenses. So apart from the tuition fees, there are still scholarships available that students receive to be able to pay for other expenses while they are studying. And it's written here that 78% of students receive such funding. And then 18% of students receive full-time job offers from their internships. So there are internships right here in the school, yeah, that students can take up, paid internships. Okay, so let's just get to see more information, right? 33% applicants are accepted. in this school, and 55% of students graduated with zero student loan debt in 2020 to 2021, right? So no tuition, $0. That's how much 1,454 Berea College students paid for tuition last year. Berea College believes your income shouldn't limit your outcome, which is why we have not charged students tuition since 1892. So there is no tuition fees for students in this school. All right. Let's just go further. So departments and programs, you may be wondering, what can you study in this school? They have 33 fields in this school. Explore Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science degrees in 33 fields, 33 of them. So this is a long list of the programs they have here: chemistry, communication, computer science, English, general studies, nursing, music, philosophy, psychology, political science, theater, women's gender and sexuality studies. So there's a whole lot here, a whole lot. When you click on any of them, you get to see more, right? So there are details everywhere. When you click on any of the programs, you get to see more of the details, okay? So these opportunities for internships under nursing. Okay, so let's see apply. Let's see apply. First year students, transfer students, international students. So let's see about that. Apply as an international student, right? So the application for fall of 2023 is closed, and the next application is going to open soon. So that's why I'm even showing you this, so you can prepare for the admissions, right, in good time. So you have about 2 months to prepare for this, so that once it's open, you can apply, because it's highly competitive, because there's no tuition in this school. So you really need to be on it. So the application deadline is going to be October 15, and it's going to open sometime in July. So you have July, August, September, October to apply. So it's best to just be one of the first people to apply. So that's why I want to show you this, so you can get to know everything you need, so you prepare for it. So it's apply for free online. There is no application fee for this, no application fee. And you need a personal essay, which will be around 2 to 5 pages. Then you need a copy of official secondary school records. So you need to prepare for that as well. And then 2 teacher recommendation forms. You need financial resources confirmation form, and you need official test scores. Now, English test is compulsory for every international student, regardless of which country you're from. All right. So you can see it written here. This requirement includes students from English speaking countries. So everybody needs to have English test scores. All right. So you need to really prepare for this. So ensure you have these 6 things ready. So once application opens, you can be among the first people to apply. So I'm going to leave a link to this school in the description box, so you can go see all the information, get to see even all these frequently asked questions, so you get to know everything and be ready to apply as soon as application opens. So this is Berea College, right? Link will be in the description, but this is it. It's berea.edu, berea.edu, just in case you want to check it out yourself. All right, so that's it. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video. All right, and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.